shit. Oh, that went from, oh, it's reasonable, to now my ears are ringing. Oh my God, that was incredible.
What did it hit?
Let's find out. Oh my God, that gave me chills. Like, I had to take that straight to the face.
I was about to run to you and pull your ears.
13,000 RPM.
Whoa.
And it's got another 2,000 to go. Yes, that is an IndyCar. No fucking way. I just want to point out that was only 7,200 RPM. That is literally just almost half of how high. That's the first baby rev.